It's Mon, your banking bestie. IQ and I are here again to talk about how to use your bank accounts and understand the bank statements. So, let's say you've opened your accounts and now you're ready to do a bit of spending and, of course, plenty of saving. So, what do you need to know from here? For starters, it's good to know how to access your BSB and account number. BSB stands for Bank State Branch and is a 6-digit number that identifies banks and branches throughout Australia. And then your account number is uniquely yours, that identifies your exact account.
A BSB and account number is required in order for you and other people to be able to transfer money in and out of your account.
Yep, thanks IQ. Your BSB and account number can be found in your banking app, usually on the same page as your account balance.
Did you know you can also use PayID to send and receive payments? This is when you link information you can easily remember, like your mobile phone or email address, to your bank account. That way you can provide your PayID for payments instead of your BSB and account number.
Thanks IQ. The other thing worth knowing about is bank statements and how to use them. You can download your statement from your bank's website or get it through your banking app. Basically, it's an official summary of financial transactions that have occurred within your account for a certain period. They're usually monthly. IQ, can I hand over to you for the nitty-gritty details on statements?
Certainly. Bank statements are issued for all types of accounts, including transactions and savings accounts. Your bank statement will show the date range, opening and closing balances, which is the starting amount, and the finishing amount in the account for the time period. Your bank statement shows credits, which is money coming in, such as deposits and any interest earned, and debits, which is money going out, such as spending, BPay for bills, money you've transferred to other people, fees and charges.
So, like evidence of shopping sprees, right, IQ?
Correct.
Bank statements are good for a few reasons. Now, I don't personally love being confronted by how much I've spent at Macca's over the month, but it's good to actually see where your money's gone and how much. It's good to look back and know where you'd like to rein in the spending, or look at the amount you've saved. It's also good to regularly sift through the transactions and make sure there's nothing suspicious in there. So you can contact your bank and be like, hey, I actually didn't spend $14.99 at Swedish socks and clocks. Unless you did, in which case, enjoy. But yeah, keep an eye on anything that looks out of place. Anyway, that's the lowdown on taking charge of your bank accounts. And don't forget to check your bank statements regularly to monitor your transactions, keep track of your spending, as well as watch your savings grow. To find out more, go to financialbasics.org.au. Also, don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button to see more. See ya!